Hey, 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 what a beautiful day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and cook some hash in it. Oh, today we're going to be out here in the sauce house and we're going to make a little hash. My old buddy Rodney Johnson has been begging for some hash, so we're going to try and make some hash. So I'm going to post this video, but I'm going to take some more and tie them all together when we get it all done. But we have definitely are to get this hash started. Can't get my camera to turn around, but we got the pot all ready right here, all ready, seasoned up, ready to go. We're gonna get started. Be back shortly. Hey, 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 we're back. Got my stir master Rodney Johnson on the stick and on the stool. All the meat's in the pot. Potatoes, onions. We'll get that up to the temperature we want it, and then we'll start adding our seasoning. It won't be long now. We'll be ready to eat. Hey, 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 we're back. We've got it all finished up. Got 52 quarts all put up, cooling down, ready to go in the freezer so we can enjoy it over the winter. So thanks for watching, and y'all be safe out there.